ID Bridge. Overview of real-time location tracking using direction detection readers. Do you face these challenges? Difficult to find an asset at the time needed. Any way to automatically record the asset when it is used. Takes too long using the barcode scanning or handwriting. Murata's ID Bridge standard helps solve your problems. ID Bridge can now be used with direction detection readers. The bean can be moved to detect the direction in which an RFID tag is moving, while also scanning the tag ID. The reader can be placed at the entrance in a room to record and manage tagged objects or people as they enter and leave. By scanning the RFID tag, it shows that the associated asset was moved from room A to room B. Easy to determine where the asset is located by recording the date and time. If the readers are installed at the entrance in every room, it allows to record what was moved into which room and when. If the reader are installed in the aisles and entrances of the warehouse, it automatically records the location. The latest location of any tracked asset could then be received. Recorded data is stored in ID Bridge. The data can be checked on your device, with no need to waste time for visual checking or barcode scanning. Another way to use the direction detection readers are traffic management, logistic inspection, roll call during evacuations, and to check the crowdedness of the people objects. Murata's ID Bridge leverages our extensive experience as a supplier of wireless technologies and RFID devices and systems to help solve your challenges.